friends, welcome. My name is Bhapri Singh Soni. Today I am going to tell you about patent search report, how you can make a patent search report and what are the tools required for searching patent in India. Conducting a patent search is a crucial step for inventors and businesses to ensure that an invention is novel and new. Now in India, there are so many portals where you can search for your patent. The best portals are WIPO, Google Search and USPTO and WIPO portals and database. These are all the free database where you can search for your patent. There are so many options also available and companies available which provide paid database option. And please, whenever you are checking for any patent or making a search report, also check the granted status of a patent, pending patents in the market, so that you can analyze and make the best search report. Also check for expiry date of the patent. Now in India, the patent typically lasts for 20 years from the date of filing. So you have to check the patent filing date also, application date also, and the expiry date of the patent. And sometimes companies again file same patent by doing some minor changes in the patent so that they will get more protection for next 20 years. You have to check that also while drafting and making a patent search report. See, if you are going to file a patent without a search report, then there are high chances your patent will be rejected or you end up doing an infringement for another company or authorized person who has that patent, and you have to face the legal consequences. For that, patent search report is the best option. You just have to find the right registered patent agent and get your patent search report done so that you are sure that you have a high chance that your patent will get registered. Now, one of my users have asked me one question: can I rely solely on free databases for my patent search? See, there are many free database options available. Like I said earlier, Google, WIPO, Indian Patent Office, but it's also advisable to go for paid portals so that you will have the best search report available. And search report is the ultimate and the first step for filing patent. You will get everything in detail in your search report before filing the patent, whether you should file it or not, what are the chances, what are the possible objection, opposition, infringement while filing that patent. And most common mistake in India entrepreneurs do while making a patent search report is that they ignore international patents, which later on can become a trouble when the brands enter Indian market. See, you have to consider also the international patent also, whether there is any popular patent available in the international market or not. And failing to use multiple search strategies, relying on single platform, single strategy is sometimes also dangerous. So it's always advisable to go for 2 to 3 portals, different database, and do a comprehensive detailed research for patent, including the keywords, patent numbers and everything, so that you have a very accurate conclusion. If database is not properly used, research is not properly conducted, then the accuracy of results are not proper and results are not accurate, so it might cause a great damage to you when you file your patent, because you are paying patent agent fees also, government fees also, you are involving your time also. So it can be a costly process, because in India it takes up to 4 years for registering a patent in India. So it's always advisable to go for a deep patent search report before filing patent in India. Friends, if you have any doubt regarding patent, you can visit our website sonisvision.in. In the blog section, you will get all the content information about patent, trademark, IPRs, GI tag. Or you have any doubt or questions, you can just comment down below. I will definitely answer your questions. Thanks for watching this video.